Dogecoin cost especially equivalent to $0.0781 a coin, which truly is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.0780 to 0.0788, or so they most certainly thought. The earlier day close, 0.0788, which in a real sense is very critical. The change sort of was 0.0007, 0.89% in a fundamentally enormous way. Converse rate, USD to Doge, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month in a by and large enormous manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.079, certainly greatest $0.085, truly least $0.073, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 5, cost $0.078, essentially most extreme $0.083, kind of least $0.073, which by and large is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.076, really most extreme $0.081, in every practical sense, least $0.071, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.077, truly greatest $0.082, all things considered, least $0.072, which explicitly is very huge. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.077, greatest $0.082, kind of least $0.072, or so they fundamentally thought. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.078, most certainly greatest $0.083, truly least $0.073, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.077, lovely greatest $0.082, extremely least $0.072 in a quite large way. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $0.078, kind of most extreme $0.083, kind of least $0.073, which really is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.078, by and large most extreme $0.083, certainly least $0.073 in an especially enormous way. In about 14 days Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.077, most extreme $0.082, exceptionally least $0.072 in an especially significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.079, extremely greatest $0.085, certainly least $0.073 in a huge way. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.074, essentially greatest $0.079, certainly least $0.069, exhibiting how Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.078, kind of most extreme $0.083, most certainly least $0.073 in an exceptionally large manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.071, in every practical sense, most extreme $0.076, exceptionally least $0.066, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.066, certainly greatest $0.071, sort of least $0.061, showing that the earlier day close, $0.0788 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.068, truly most extreme $0.073, exceptionally least $0.063, exhibiting how in 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.068, kind of greatest $0.073, kind of least $0.063, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.069, genuinely most extreme $0.074, in every practical sense, least $0.064. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $0.070, beautiful most extreme $0.075, lovely least $0.065, which is very huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $0.070, for the most part greatest $0.075, truly least $0.065. Truly further appearance how Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.078, extremely greatest $0.083, beautiful least $0.073. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.071. Truly most extreme 0.076, sort of least 0.066, which basically is genuinely huge. In about a month, Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.074. Certainly most extreme 0.079, fundamentally least 0.069. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, truly least 0.068, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 2, cost $0.072, certainly greatest 0.077, sort of least 0.067. USD to Doge swapping scale exceptionally equivalent to 12.8057 coins per $1, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, truly least 0.068, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Today, S-Reach 126855, 128139 and in every way that really matters, significant way. The past day, S nearby, 12.6904, which by and large shows that Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.076. Lovely greatest 0.081, truly least 0.071, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.1153, plus 0.91% in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they thought. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost 12.658 coins, really greatest 13.699, least 11.765, which especially is very huge. USD to Doge forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 12.821 coins, sort of greatest 13.699, especially least 12.048, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 8, cost 13.158 coins. By and large greatest 14.085, certainly least 12.346, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 12.987 coins, truly greatest 13.889, most certainly least 12.195, which basically is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 12.987 coins, sort of greatest 13.889, lovely least 12.195 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 12.821 coins, truly most extreme 13.699, truly least 12.048, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 12.987 coins, most extreme 13.889, especially least 12.195, which especially is very critical. USD to Doge forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 12.821 coins, especially most extreme 13.699, really least 12.048, which essentially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin